Hey, what's up guys, this is Guillermo Auto. This is part 3 in the replacing a water pump on a 2014 or 15 RAV4 with a 4-cylinder engine. So about half of my footage got corrupted, so this video is going to move a little quicker than I wanted it to. I'm going to have to kind of skip ahead. But basically we left off on the old water pump is out. Let's pretend this is your new one. You're going to put your gasket on it like this, and then you're going to put it on your engine. Put your bolts in. All the bolts are they are the same size, so you can put them in anywhere. You don't need any FIPG or anything like that. If everything's normal, just put that in, and then what you're going to want to do is put your idler in. I'm sorry, not your idler, your tensioner. Put your tensioner in, and then you put your alternator on. The alternator is kind of tough to put in because you have to put it on this bracket, and it's a really tight fit. You could put some lube on the alternator to get it fit on that bracket better. And then put your 2 bolts in. Be patient with the alternator and the bolts. They're kind of tough to get in. Just be patient and get them in. And then after you get your alternator snug and get in, we can put these accessories back on. So go ahead and connect this. Go ahead and plug this back in. This way. Alright, and then get your alternator connector back on. Like that. Now we'll get your alternator battery cable on, and tighten that 10mm nut down, and then get your plastic piece for that, and then also put this bracket piece back on. 10mm bolt, run that down. Got my plastic piece back on, and just kind of pops on. Remember, have your battery disconnected to this part still, and then we're gonna get the belt on. Now with the belt you can grab right here, or there's the bottom part you grab onto. They're both 14mm. To move the tensioner. Here is a diagram of the pulleys and how the belt routes. Alright, so what I did is I put the belt on. I started right here, and I put that clip on to hold it in place. I took my 12mm, I have a long 12mm, and I put it on that top. I know you can't see it. I put it on the top part, and I bent it all the way back, and then I rested the wrench on the bolt for the crank pulley, and it kept it in place. It kept the tension off, and I was able to route the belt on. It was kind of a tough belt. Then I just popped this off, and the belt got the tension back. If you don't have this, I'm sure you can find a way. There's kind of a tight belt. Take this off and make sure your belt is in all the pulleys okay. And then once you get that on, let's get some coolant going. Pour some coolant in your reservoir. I recommend Toyota OEM coolant, but if you got stuff from O'Reilly's or Napa or AutoZone, that's fine too. This kind of engine doesn't take water, it just takes pre-mixed coolant. So you put it in, it'll run down a little bit, fill it up like 3 or 4 times. While that's spraying, I'm going to put my battery back on. Got my positive connector right here. Put that on. Positive first, I'm going to put my negative on. Right, and then I'll probably refill up my coolant reservoir again. Start it up and turn the heater on to full heat, and just turn on full blast. That way it'll circulate all the coolant in the vehicle, and it'll get all the air bubbles out. You don't want any air bubbles, so this is just a trick that kind of does that. Circulates the coolant and gets the air bubble out. Leave the cap off of your reservoir. While it's running, what I do is I put the heat down here, make sure no coolant's leaking out. If some coolant is leaking out, maybe you can just tighten up your bolts a little bit. Careful on the braking so it's brake. And just kind of make sure everything's in place, running okay. And you can see the bubbles coming out of here. You can't really see it with the camera, but you can see bubbles coming out. Now to leave the cap off the air can escape. Just let the engine run for like 5 or 10 minutes. Put all the stuff back together, and then after I know it's good, I'll go ahead and put this cap on. And that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure your notch is right here. Again, sorry for the short footage. If there's any parts you're unsure of, just think mechanically, think logically. You could also look up on other sources on how to do it. Anyways, hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next video.